Okay, so this is a more specialized machine we have. This is called the Techsew 2750. And this is a very heavy duty machine. It can sew through 1/2 inch of material. It's great for leather and seatbelt webbing, very thick projects. Also, because of this barrel arm, you can get it inside of bags and in difficult areas to sew. So it does have a cutout here, so you can get objects that are fairly long up and into this area. Other than that, there's a standard pedal that adjusts the speed. This pedal on this side actually lifts the foot up and down. This is your reverse. And of course this is controls your arm, your needle. Standard bobbin on the right side, standard 2 rows of thread, 1 to the bobbin, and this is the adjustable light. So again, the thread comes through the top post, down through the minor tensioner, through the major tensioner, which is adjusted for your stitch quality. We'll talk about that in another video. Comes up through here, through your arm, down through here, and gets thread through the needle. So again, this is a barrel arm, bobbins in here, and this pedal here is for reverse. Now on this machine we do have a speed control, and it's digital, so once you turn the machine on, you'll see where you're at, and you can go up or down depending on what speed you're comfortable with. This is very good for doing very accurate projects where you have to go very slow, and the needle will actually go up and down very slow, so you have full control of it. So first you can turn on the machine. Now we can set the speed of the machine from 500 all the way up to 3500. I'm going to operate at about 800, a nice controllable speed. You want to lift your foot up, start your seam. So you want to keep the two edges together. I like to use about a 3/8 of an inch seam or 1 centimeter. So I've got a run-off piece of material so I don't have to hold the stitch. Let me just take that out so I can show you. Whenever you're taking this out, make sure you rotate the needle up to the top and then pull this. So to start, you always have to hold the thread unless you have a run-off piece which you can just run off onto. So I'm in about a centimeter from the edge. I'm going to start the stitch. I'm going to then back stitch up, the backup lever, and then forward again. So with this hand, I've got my thumb underneath and I'm holding the two pieces so they're lined up. With this hand, the barrel's a little different because you don't have anything to lie down on. I just kind of hold the back with my hand just to help keep it all straight. Everything's to help feed it through the machine at this point. So you can stop and start with the pedal at any time. Just making sure you're lined up. So I just threw a little bit of a curve in there to show you. When you have a really tight corner, you may put it down and you can actually turn it like that. Really sharp corner, I like to do a gradual, and I might even use the hand roller. Like that, and then like that, and it just helps to go around a corner. Okay, so again, if you have a run-off piece of material, you don't have to stop and lift it, you can just run it off the scrap material. So there you have your stitch. Looks good. If you've got a little bit of a ball or this is loose at the bottom, refer to the tensioning and the stitch quality PDF, and that explains it to you. So when you flip this over, you can see we've got a nice stitch here.